So here I am. I'm next to my trusty old outdoor grill that I had put together and built, and I thought it was lovely. And then that happened. Jesus Christ. Seriously, I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe that actually happened. The boards, I would have thought this would have happened during the wintertime. I didn't really have any problems. I mean, I had a couple problems. I'm going to be replacing this, basically. I'm going to be honest with you. What happened is the boards are warping. They're warping really bad. Like down here, you can see these couple here, this one and this one, starting to warp. Yeah, take a look at that one there. That one completely, actually both of them warped, but that one twisted and bowed at the same time. Lovely. And that's the two, obviously, that came off. Now the backside here, surprisingly, is not too bad, but it's a few of these other ones that are having some issues. Like this one's actually holding up pretty good, but dude, we're going to replace it, and it starts tomorrow. Yes, it cost me some money, but in the long run, because I mean, we were even talking about expansion of the deck. I mean, we were shooting big, but then we ultimately said, you know what, let's just keep this area here, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, so we are going to replace all these boards, and they will be coming off tomorrow. Got a couple of the other issues. This all started to pull away. These boards started warping. They're pulling away. Luckily, the tile's holding up pretty good. I was very pleased about that. Those top boards, they started warping. These two haven't stopped putting out sap. I can't believe it. I thought they had finally dried up, and the other day I touched them, I'm like, nope, still soft, still kind of runny. I was like, oh my gosh, are they ever gonna stop? This board started pulling away. It's about to come off. The door pulled off, which I learned, that's where screw everything in. Seriously, screw everything. Screws are much better. It's kind of like building a shed. Screws definitely work better than just using nails or anything like that. But yeah, down below, I mean, all those boards. These on the inside actually aren't doing too bad. There's a couple of them, but anyway, it's coming off. That's what I was saying. Those are coming off, and we are going to do stone. It's gonna have a nice stone finish. I'm gonna put the backer board one, you know, a lot less wood around a grill is always a good thing. But yeah, so let's, like I said just a minute ago, we're gonna start taking the boards off of the outside, then we'll get the backer board on, and then we'll start getting all this stone laid on there. And we'll see how it comes out. I may leave, I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna leave these, just because we like this wood, this nature kind of look to it. So I don't know if we're gonna replace those. I'm definitely gonna replace around the top. All this is coming out. Doors are gonna come out. I might even buy some doors to put on there. So I don't know yet. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it turns out. But like I said, the tile has actually held up just fine. There's one little corner, little bit there. That's not doing so hot, but I'm gonna seal along each side. I did not do that last year. I meant to and then forgot, and that's my own fault. So anyway, there we go. We'll be ripping off the boards tomorrow, and then we'll go from there, and I'll show you more after that.
As the project lingers on, many seasons have passed, from summer to fall to winter. Come join us now as we continue this journey with you and provide you this update. As you can see, we are in full-blown winter now. And also, as you can see, I did remove everything, all the boards, took everything off. You have backer board on everything. Starting out, I just wanted to put a few of these pieces of stone on, see what it was going to look like, see how it was going to work. And so far, they've been doing great. But now I'm going to try them through the winter. Before I spend a whole bunch of money on stone, I'm going to find out how they work through the winter time. Also, I did get some doors down here. And these doors are way better. They're screwed on. They fit really nice. So yeah, those are fantastic. Highly recommend those doors if this is something you're doing. Now, I got the black ones. They do make stainless steel as well. Oh, so that's the update for now. It is freezing outside. It's like right around zero, a little bit above zero. I'm going back inside. Okay, hey, thanks. Be sure to check back here in the spring when I see how this handles, and I'll let you know what takes place. All right, take care. We'll catch you a little bit later.